Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to unarchive in Trello web application. So basically the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Trello website and then just connect to your Trello account, and if you don't already have one, just connect with your Google, Facebook or Apple accounts, and then you will need to follow these simple steps. And if you don't already have an account, just create a new one by signing up with your email, and then you will be able to reach your workspace successfully. So now we need to go to our board, and basically we need just to click on boards here to find your boards, and then we are going to click on this board, and basically those are the cards of our boards. And to unarchive some items we would need to archive them first. So I'm going to archive this card here, and I'm going to archive, for example, this one too. I'm going just to click archive, and now we will need to go to this 3 points action so we can access to our archived items. Basically you will click just on more and then archived items, and here you will find your archived cards. And to unarchive them you will just click to send to board, and now we have restored our cards in our lists here in this Trello board. So basically and simply, this is how you can unarchive your cards that you have already archived in Trello web application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.